These images were generated completely free. Can you believe it? This tool has practically killed MIDJOURNEY, and yes, it's absolutely free to use. Crazy, right? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Fluxpro Art for free, how to create the perfect prompt, and even how to use ChatGPT to refine it. Let's dive in.
Nice.
So, recently, a new AI model called Flux has come onto the scene, and it's taking over the art world.
Perfect.
There are tons of AI art generators out there, but this one, it's special. It's even being compared to MIDJOURNEY. Crazy, right? Artists everywhere are raving about it, and when you see what it can do, you'll understand why. But guess what? The Black Forest Labs team is already working on an ambitious project called Text to Video. But enough of the theory, let's generate some images using a simple prompt. Not sure how to come up with a prompt? Don't worry. I'll show you how to extract a prompt from an image. Check out this website, Create.ai. I'll leave the link in the description below. Once you've signed up, you'll see an interface like this. After that, click on Enhance, where you'll upload an image or a similar style you want to replicate. For example, I'll take this image and upload it. Once it's uploaded, click Upscaling, and boom, the prompt is automatically generated. Sometimes it makes small mistakes, but it usually gets the prompt spot on. If there's anything off, you can simply edit the parts you don't like. In case you're new to this, a prompt is a detailed text description you give to an AI tool like DALL-E, MIDJOURNEY, or Bing AI to generate an image. The more specific and vivid the description, the more accurate and detailed the resulting image will be. Here's an example of a prompt for generating an image. A futuristic city skyline at dusk with towering glass skyscrapers reflecting a purple and orange sunset. Flying cars zoom between the buildings, while neon signs and vibrant colors light up the streets below. The scene has a cyberpunk aesthetic, with people in sleek, tech-infused clothing walking through soft fog. The atmosphere feels lively, with glowing holograms projecting ads into the air. If you need a detailed tutorial on AI prompts, let me know in the comments section and subscribe to the channel. Guess what? You can actually use ChatGPT to help refine your prompt. All you have to do is describe what you're imagining, and ChatGPT will perfect it for you. Let's go back to Flux and try a prompt to see the output. Now, you might be thinking, but isn't Flux Pro a paid service? Well, I've got good news. Flux Pro is currently available for free through the website fluxpro.art. They're letting users try it out for free to identify system weaknesses and improve it. But I'm sure it won't stay free forever, so take advantage while you can. Click the link in the description or go to fluxpro.art and you'll see an interface like this. These images were all generated by users, and you can view them in larger sizes by clicking on each image. What's even cooler is that it provides variations. If you want consistent characters, this is a great tool. It's incredible. You can even copy the exact prompt used to generate the images by clicking here. At the top of the gallery, you'll see categorized tabs like poster, abstract art, anime, cartoon style, and so on. Click on any tab to explore. Now, let's create an account by clicking on the login option at the top right corner using your Google account. Once you've logged in, go to the image generation section by clicking on the create option. For example, let's create a vibrant pop art portrait of an American female artist with bright blonde hair styled in a modern bob cut. She's wearing a bold, colorful jacket with abstract patterns in red, yellow, and blue. The background will have comic book style speech bubbles, giving the image a fun, energetic 1960s pop art vibe. Next, choose the aspect ratio. I'm going with 16:9 for YouTube, but you can adjust depending on your platform. For Instagram or TikTok, 9:16 works perfectly. Flux Pro offers different content levels to suit your preferences. It has a safe content mode, ensuring the generated visuals are suitable for all audiences and professional settings. If you want more flexibility, other levels allow for a broader range of themes. Just select your preferred setting and refresh the page to apply it. For more details, click here to read the full explanations at the top of the page. I'm leaving the other settings unchanged, so now I'll click Create. Boom! Our images are generated. To view any image in its original size, just click the thumbnail, and to download, simply right-click and hit Save. Now let's try creating a product shot. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. Let's continue. I will command Flux to generate orange-flavored Mimi drink, studio lighting, product shot, HD. Boom! This is amazing. Let's download it. As you can see, Flux Pro is incredibly powerful, creating realistic images at lightning speed. But do you think Flux Pro can really kill MIDJOURNEY? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear them. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs it. And trust me, this is just the tip of the iceberg. I've got so much more coming your way. So if you want to stay in the loop, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Remember, the future is AI, and it's here now. See you in the next tutorial.